Good morning, this is meteorologist Bo Dotson, and this is your Tuesday edition of Sunrise Weather. We are tracking a potential winter storm for December 24th through 25th. The storm is expected to move in from the west on Friday morning, spreading a mixture of snow, sleet, and freezing rain over Arkansas and Missouri, and then east into Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, and perhaps even as far south as Tennessee during the day on Friday. The snow will continue into Christmas Day, with light snow expected over our local counties and heavier snow to our east. It is still too soon to make a prediction on where the storm is going to track, and thus it's too soon to make a prediction on how much snow we can expect. It does appear we will have some snowflakes in the air on Christmas Day. The question is how much. Let's take a look at two models that we use for weather. This is the European, which is usually does quite a nice job at forecasting weather. However, it seems to be too far south with the position of the low. It has it almost into the Gulf of Mexico. See that red L there? That is the area of low pressure. Ideally, for us to receive snow, you want to see that low further north. Most of the model data suggests the low will track through Oklahoma and then into Arkansas, then Mississippi and Alabama. If that's the case, then our local counties would be in the rain, snow, sleet, freezing rain, a little bit of all of it. Rain to the south in Tennessee, freezing rain, sleet, and snow over the central counties, and then snow as you move further north. The state of Kentucky is forecast to be impacted by this winter storm on Friday and Saturday. If the storm tracks as expected, then quite a few travel headaches will be the rule for the Kentucky Transportation Cabinet and others. Also, regions outside of the state of Kentucky, Indiana, Ohio, Illinois, Missouri, Arkansas, and perhaps Tennessee, will also experience some problems. Again, depending on the exact track of the area of low pressure will determine where the rain-snow line sets up and how much snow, ice, or sleet, or rain can be expected. Let's take a look at low temperatures on Friday morning. You'll see road conditions will be cold because lows are expected to be in the 20s and 30s over our entire region. That map there is for 7 a.m. on Friday. 7 a.m. radar on Friday morning is expected to look like this. Now this may not be exactly correct. This is the model forecast. But you can see snow in the blue area developing to our west, some mixed precip in the pink, and then rain to the south in Oklahoma and Arkansas. This area precip will push further to the east during the day light hours on Christmas Eve and continue on into Saturday morning, Christmas Day. Precip will be ending during the day on Saturday, Christmas Day, but snow will continue over much of Kentucky during that time period. Even though it may be light over western Kentucky, areas to the east may still be experiencing some significant snow, possibly on Christmas Day. The 5-day rainfall totals, you can see the Hydrological Prediction Center has placed us in the half-inch range. Areas to the north are in up to 1 inch. Now that's melted. If that were to all fall as snow, we would be looking at 2, 3, 4 inches of snow. Areas near St. Louis and those areas would expect anywhere from 4 to 8 inches of snow. Now that's not the forecast because it's too soon to make a forecast of where the snow rain line is going to set up. But that gives you an idea of where the heavier precip is expected. One thing is for certain, after this storm moves through, we're going to be cold. These are the low temperatures for Monday morning. I suspect many of us will be in the single digits. Some areas may even be below zero to our north. Then as we move into Tuesday morning, continues to be bitterly cold, and Wednesday morning bitterly cold. This is especially true if we have snow on the ground. It will be even colder. Let's take a look at the GFS model as it tracks the storm. This is a forecast model that I use quite often. You see on Friday morning the low is centered over northeast Texas. The blue and pink area is snow, sleet, freezing rain, and rain, depending on where you're located in there. The storm tracks east during the day on Friday, and you see the precip moving east as well. Now that'd be a mixed bag in our area if this forecast model is correct. There you can see snow over much of the state of Kentucky, Illinois, Missouri, Indiana, and Ohio. And this is around 7 o'clock on Friday night. Later on Friday night, around 9 p.m., midnight, quite a bit of snow in the state of Kentucky. And then snow starting to taper off on Saturday morning, Christmas Day. Let's move a little further into Christmas Day there, and you see snow pulling away. But still, you can see some light snow showers continuing all the way into eastern Kentucky. And there, that's Saturday afternoon. Bottom line, listen for updates on this potential winter storm. There could be some travel impacts in our region. It's a little too soon to talk about numbers, but some significant snow is possible near our region, assuming the storm tracks as predicted. If the storm tracks too far south, then we would only experience light precip totals. If it ends up being further north than forecast, then that will cut down on our snow and we'll have more rain. Tricky forecast, but what's new? That happens here quite often.